Hey guys, what's up? It's Phil, and here's an update on the Jetson Nano, which you can see right here is inside the junction box that I created, and the desk is pretty messy, as you can see right there. And a certain point, you definitely don't want the Jetson Nano to be just in the terminal set up there. So basically what happened during the course of the week was I was actually trying to repair some Python libraries and decided that purging some of them would be a good idea. Unfortunately, the truth of the matter is it wasn't. So now some of the portions of the Jetson Nano, which is Linux here, require some of those libraries. So now, well, I have to be able to navigate through the Jetson Nano just from the terminal itself. So I was able to extract the files that I wanted. Unfortunately, any of the applications that I originally had on this, where I was doing quite a bit of testing, is going to be wiped out. And luckily, it's just a test machine, at least for now. And by the time that I post this video, all of this stuff should be resolved, and it'll have a clean new operating system, which you see right there. Let me just zoom in, and everything should be working fine. But otherwise, that's what's going on right now. But I wanted to show you guys the update with the Jetson Nano, which is stuffed inside this. Looks a little messy there. It looks a lot cleaner once I put the lid on, which is right here. But that's the update. So I'll keep you guys posted on the development of this project of trying to get the Oculus Quest 2 to run on a 64-bit ARM64. And as of right now, it's going a little bit slower than I anticipated, but it is what it is. Talk to you guys soon. Okay, waiting for the image to download and watching some Thrill. Alright, so here we are. We have the new Jetpack 4.6 onto the Jetson Nano, which is underneath the box here. And I'm just going to be configuring it so that I can get started, but otherwise, we've got that, looks like a beaver in the background, so we'll get this going.